What's up, YouTube? Double 80 here. Decided to do a comparison between the Hercules and the giant figures. As you can see, the giant figures are more of a deluxe size. These are more of a Voyager size. In terms of quality, feel of the plastic, they're both very high quality feel, nothing cheap. My opinion, I like them all, but for your money's worth, I feel like I got more money with the Hercules. Like his, whatever you want to call that, shovel, it can become a weapon. His just kind of tucks away on his arm. There. You do got, I think, a lot more paint apps, or just design overall in the construction look of the vehicle. I do like their heel spurs a lot better too. You get a lot more non-fallback, I guess. Over like their weapon, they got more weapons. I don't know, this little one arm cannon type deal thing, and it's alright, but and their weapons ain't really nothing special either, but I don't know. I love the head sculpts on these. These have light piping, whereas these guys don't. Goes these guys together. These guys really don't have that, that major kibble in the back. The one thing I don't like about these guys, once their legs move, man, motherfuckers don't want to stand up. Yeah. There's the back shots of them. As you can see, the arm point just chilling there. It's not too bad, but I don't know, I think it was just laziness in the design. Like, they couldn't think of nothing better. But I think they were more looking for, like, not as the individual robot, but how it's going to work when, he's all put together and giant. Because that's how most people are going to keep him anyway. So I guess they wanted more posability when he's in giant form. So I'm sure that's going to work out a hell of a lot better. Not that there's a problem with Hercules, but you are limited to the shoulder movement on him. I mean, the articulation is almost the same. I mean, these guys got a hell of a lot more shoulder movement, because since they're on a ball joint, these guys don't. But I don't know. For the money, I can't really call a judgment because I don't have Giant put all together. Once Giant's put together, then I can make a final judgment on what's better, Hercules or Giant. But right, as far as now, I like my Hercules better. But the Giant toys are very nice. You guys gotta check them out. Take it easy.